Hello everyone, welcome to Zimi Studio. In this tutorial we will learn how to make an animated subscribe button in Filmora. So, let's get started. Open Filmora Video Editor. Go to the title and drag it in the timeline. Double-click on the title and go to Advance. Now select the title and delete it first. Now go to the shapes at the top and select the square shape. First, change the color of the square to red. I select it already. Now place it anywhere you want. And resize it, as the subscribe button looks. Now we have to edit the text. Delete the default text and write subscribe. If you want to change the font, then change it first. Now go to the Animation tab and select the animation you want. I select the linear wipe animation. Now choose how much the animation lasts. Now press OK. This is how it looks. Now click OK, and we are all done. If you would like to learn more about video editing, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated when we upload a new video on this channel. Do check out our other tutorials on this channel. And comment below to let us know what you want to learn next. Till then, stay creative with Filmora.